Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of April 2025. Here we're going to be trading the Volatility 51x, and we're on the D trader. It's a dark mode. So once you log into your trading account, you're going to go to Volatility 51x. You click on it. Then you're going to go to the indicator here. You click on momentum. You click on the RSI indicator. So you're going to see it right here. You go to the trade type here, you go to high low, make sure you choose the high low, set this to 4 minutes, set your barrier offset to +287.34. So we're going to click on lower. We're not trading the higher, we're going to be trading the lower ones. This RSI is going right up. You can see it's going right up there. I click on lower, see the spot where I click on lower there. So we're going to wait for 4 minutes and we're going to win the trade. So that's basically what this strategy is all about. That's how it works. So you have to make sure it's going right up before you click on lower. So let's wait for the time count. As we're waiting, for those who haven't gotten the Deriv price sell indicator, which also works on other Forex broker platforms, this is the indicator right there. You can see I placed some trades there and they're in profit already. So to get this indicator, all you have to do is to sign up for a free trading account using the link in the video description on YouTube. This indicator works on Deriv. It also works on other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. All you have to do is to attach it to your chart and wait for it to show either the pink or the light blue. Once it shows this light blue, you buy. Once it shows this, you sell. So you can see it's going all the way down here. It's also going all the way up once it shows the light blue. So that's how it works. You can use it to trade your Forex pairs, your volatility index, jump index, and all that. So to get this indicator, the infos are right there in the video description on YouTube. All these infos right there. You're going to check everything here. And for those who haven't gotten the Toscaper bots, the Pip Stripper bot as well, they works on Deriv. They're automated. You can get them for 7.99 and 9.99. And you also get free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. We're also giving away some free bots as well when you order any of our bots. Give away some free Forex bot as well. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links. There's a link to order the Pip Stripper bot and the Toscaper bot in the video description. And to get a free indicator, there's a link right here to sign up for a trading account. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Once you subscribe to all our channels, send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account sign up. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have an account, you can use this link to order the indicator for $12. So the links to order our Pip Stripper board is right there. The link to order the Toscaper board is right here. And the link to sign up for a free trading account is right here for those who don't have a trading account. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second one, and this is the third one. And there's a link to other infos. There's a link to read related tutorials on our forum website. So check the video description for all this info. So we have few seconds left here and we're going to win this trade. So let's just wait for the outcome. Don't forget, when it's going right up, you click on lower. That's what the strategy is about. And make sure you set your barrier. Make sure you set the barrier. And you're watching the RSI. When you're placing your trade, you're watching the RSI. You can see the movement right there. So when it's going up, you click on lower. So there's a time count right there. There's 17 seconds left. Okay, that's it, guys. It will make 6.93 there, so you can go on and on and on. Just watch the movement of the RSI before you place the trade. So So that's it for now. I'm going to see you guys next time. Share the videos, subscribe to the channels, comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.